I posted this YouTube short on October 17th, 2022, and it has over 100,000 views. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to not only generate 100,000 views, but to get 600 to 700 views consistently per day on that exact video as a small YouTube creator. And if you're a small YouTuber or if you have a small YouTube channel, you're gonna wanna pay attention to this. Welcome back to TubeBuddy Tuesday. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get 100,000 views on your YouTube Shorts, regardless of your subscriber count. This strategy is what I call search hacking. Search hacking is similar to SEO, but with a hidden twist. It requires understanding your target audience, their needs, their desires, and creating content that follows trending topics. Let's discuss the success that this short had and how exactly did it gain traction. The title of the short was, "This is the exact font for video captions." Many people were, and still are, curious about this specific editing style. So I made a full YouTube tutorial on my YouTube channel explaining exactly how to create these style of captions. From that video, I extracted a clip, which is the one you see today, that has over 100,000 views. But not just any clip. It was a clip that was specific on the font and the style of font used in those captions. I pulled that clip specifically because I noticed something that completely shocked me. There weren't any YouTube shorts that were explaining what the font was of those captions. I noticed a gap immediately and I saw that as an opportunity. The next part was I need to get people interested. I knew the clip that I had, I knew the clip that I wanted to post, now I needed a title for it and I needed to get people curious. Long story short, I used the exact formula that I shared in this video up here to get people interested. I also did what I call YouTube surfing and checked on YouTube to see what else was out there in the marketplace, what other videos were being made about this, and what other tags could I pull to add as my keywords in my description. Initially, when I posted the video, it had 0 views in the first 24 hours. Now, this is super important because most people, when they don't see any views in the first 24 hours, what do? They delete it. And I'm guessing you've probably done the same because you've been frustrated with seeing no views, getting no traction, but I promise you, do not delete your shorts. After those first 24 hours, things started to change. I posted that video on October 17th, and all the way through December 21st, it was getting around 10 to 20 views per day. However, on December 21st, something changed. The video had spiked to 1,518 views, nearly 50 views in one day. From then on, it just continued like wildfire, and it's what you see right now at over 100,000 views and currently gaining 600 to 700 views per day organically. Take advantage of search hacking. I encourage you to leverage this strategy for your niche. Find gaps in your niche where you can create dedicated long-form content and dedicated short-form content that cater to popular searches. By following this strategy, you can instantly help your content thrive and get you more visibility. You don't need to have a large YouTube channel. I have a little over 4,000 subscribers on my current channel, and I still follow this strategy. Whether you're at 400, 4,000, 40,000, or 400,000, this strategy will work. And if you are a small YouTuber and if you are a smaller channel, don't delete your content. Don't delete your shorts if you don't get views within the first 24 hours. Keep them up there because you never know when one might take off, and it might just be that next hour that it needs to stay live. Even though those first 24 hours you're a little frustrated, keep it live. And if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe for more tips and strategies just like these, and I'll see you in the next video.